Let's make these paratha wraps. Welcome to my channel. I have my spices here. I have garam masala, I have cumin, I have curry, some salt, onions, cabbage, the chicken, and I have peppers, grated ginger, grated garlic, and my paratha. This is everything I'm going to be using for the wrap. I'm going to put my chicken into the bowl. Going to pour some vegetable oil onto that. Then I'll add my garlic and my ginger and my pepper. Now that that's in there, combine. And then go on to add my garam masala, my cumin, and my curry powder. Mix that together really well. Fresh spices are just the best, like Indians and fresh pepper, fresh garlic, fresh spices, fresh curry. I don't have fresh curry and all those, but the ones that I have that are fresh, I'll make sure I use them because the closer I am, the better the results. All right, so I have all that mixed in there. Now I'll sprinkle my salt, I'll stir that into it and set it aside. For this video, I'm just going to be doing a minimum of 20 minutes because I don't have much time and I have to finish. But if I were to do this, I'll set it aside for about 2 hours, minimum of 2 hours. I only have a day to shoot because I always drop my toddler for weekends. That's done. I'm going to cover it with a cling film and set it aside until I'm ready to cook it. Little vegetable oil in the pan. I will now add my chicken. Pour the chicken in there and let that cook. Just stir this until it cooks all the way through. This smells really good. Super easy actually. The main work has been done, which is the paratha. So I just have to focus and make this taste as good as possible. So I'll let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll be back. I'm going to add in my onions now so that everything just cooks, and I just took a bite of this and it is divine. It tastes so good. So just about 2 more minutes on this. Still want it to be really juicy, so I'm not going to over fry it. So this is done. I will now add my cabbage. So it's actually not compulsory to cook the cabbage. You can add it in raw, but I just like to have the sauce and all that mixed with the cabbage as well. So that's why I'm doing this. So I'll just slightly cook it. It will still have the crunch and the freshness, so it's not like I'm changing much. So again, this is very optional. You can eat your cabbage fresh like this. It's totally fine. So just mix that really well. Have everything come together in there. I'll just sprinkle a little more salt just for that extra touch of taste. So yeah, this is coming together nicely. I'll be back in about 30 seconds for this. All right, so the filling is ready now. I love the way it looks. I can't wait to taste this. I'm still trying to contemplate whether I should add cream or not, but I don't really think I want cream. Let's move on to where we're gonna wrap it. I have my foil placed over here, and then I'll take one paratha, place it onto the foil. Simply take some of my filling, place at the center. This is so nice. I think that should be enough. Some more chicken, spilled a little there, and then I'll just cover it up like so and wrap it over. It's so nice. And then I'll put it in the foil, wrap it up. I should have put a napkin under my chopping board. Yeah, and that's it. Cover it up. And you have a wrap. But of course, I'm going to cut it into 2 for the picture. So let's just get right into the good stuff. That's all for our delicious paratha wraps. These were absolutely good, and I guarantee that you will enjoy it. The link to the paratha recipe is in the description or somewhere on the screen here. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.